How to fix Netflix on Samsung Smart TV. Step number 1. Restart the Netflix app. Exit the app. Press the back button on your remote to exit Netflix. Reopen Netflix. Wait a few seconds, then reopen the Netflix app to see if the issue is resolved. Step number 2. Restart your TV. Turn off the TV. Unplug the TV. Disconnect it from the power outlet and wait for at least 30 seconds. Plug it back in and turn on. Plug the TV back on and turn it on, then open Netflix again. Step number 3. Check your internet connection. Test network status. Go to Settings, General, Network, Network Status to check if your TV is connected to the internet. Restart the router. Turn off your router, wait 30 seconds, then turn it back on to refresh the network connection. Step number 4. Clear Netflix app cache if supported. Go to Settings, open Settings, Support, Self-Diagnosis, Reset Smart Hub. This can help clear any cache data for the Netflix app. Sign back in. After the reset, you'll need to log back into Netflix. Step number 5. Update the Netflix app. Open the app menu. Go to Apps on your Samsung TV. Update apps. Select Options, Auto Update to enable automatic updates, or manually update Netflix if an update is available. Step number 6. Update the TV's firmware. Check for software updates. Go to Settings, Support, Software Update, Update Now. Install updates. If an update is available, install it, as software updates often improve app compatibility. Step number 7. Deactivate and reactivate Netflix if necessary. Go to Netflix Settings. In the Netflix app, go to Settings or Get Help. Select Sign Out or Deactivate. Sign out of your Netflix account on the TV. Sign in again. After signing out, sign back into Netflix to refresh the app connection. Step 8. Factory Reset Smart Hub if issues persist. Reset Smart Hub. Go to Settings, Support, Self-Diagnosis, Reset Smart Hub. Reinstall Netflix. This will reset all Smart Hub settings and apps. After the reset, reinstall Netflix and sign in. Step number 9. Contact Netflix or Samsung support if none of the above steps work. Contact support. If Netflix is still not working, reach out to Netflix or Samsung support for further assistance, as it may be a server or app compatibility issue.